hypothesis. So how autonomous are your team really? Do you have to sell ideas, concepts and hypotheses to leaders and boards? And when and how do you get buy-in?
Right. So we are autonomous in the sense of how we solve the issues. So, I mean, concepts, we don't need buy-in for anything. But we do have, I mean, the strategic goals, for example, that's not us making those. So what, let's say, happy customers, now luckily that's a goal for the organization, which makes super good sense. But then there will sometimes also come something in that you haven't seen, that we didn't make up. So one example is we just made a partnership with Volkswagen and Semler, which is the group that has the dealership of all Volkswagen and Audi and Skoda and Seat in Denmark. So it's every third car being sold in Denmark is by them. So we, our top leaders, top management has kind of won a pitch to become their insurance partner. So when something like that happens, then we are not as autonomous that we can say, oh, we don't want to join that partnership. We don't want to do that. Then we have to kind of turn our focus to that assignment. The cool thing that I think with this particular partnership that has happened is that our top management has said, we trust in you. Of course, we will have a project manager for the whole partnership, but we trust in, for the IT development, we trust in the team structure to kind of lift this huge project in the way that you're working. So still with 14-day releases and keeping the same way of working, keeping the teams intact, because that's what would normally happen in a large company. If you get something super huge like a national partnership, then you would pick the 30 best employees of each team, put them in a room and say, this is what you're going to do for the next year. Everyone else, good luck on whatever you were doing. And then that's how it's been done before. And now all teams are intact, even after we get a big partnership like that. So autonomous in the way of how we solve the job, which tools to use, who we're going to ask, how we're going to do it, and also what we'll deliver. Until now, at least, there has been no one saying you can't do this.